Fashion companies are managing an increasingly complex workflow. Teammates and vendors are located in many different places around the world, and everything has to come together in one centralized place. Large companies are using PLM software systems in order to manage this. For small to medium-sized companies, implementing PLM has oftentimes been a struggle. What challenges do you face in your company with software solutions? Let me know in the comments below. Today we're talking with Patrick Abou, founder and CEO of C-Design. Patrick spent years working in the PLM sector, and he saw firsthand the frustrations and struggles that small to medium-sized companies had implementing the software. So he set off to solve the problem.
C-Design is a French company. We are located in Paris. We exist for more than 20 years now. We decided to launch our own solution. We have seen that many PLM that was on the market was very complex to implement, very slow to implement, and also the curve of learning was very long. So we decided to learn for other company that was using some basic tools like Excel spreadsheet, Illustrator files, PowerPoint document, how they are managing their documents. And we decided to create and reinvent a new way of having a PLM inside a fashion brand. And we have probably now one of the fast solution on the market to implement, but also a very fast software to learn. We saw on the market many examples of the implementation was not successful. After 2-3 years, they were coming back on Excel spreadsheet. We decided to reinvent the way we can use this tool. We are really influenced by social media, by new apps, that kind of thing. So the way to use a software must be in that way today. We want the people also to be able to learn it by themselves. So we created a full knowledge base with multiple videos explaining how the tool has to be shown, how the tool has to be used. And people really love this kind of stuff. If you are very close to what they are using every day, the learn of curve is very fast because by themselves, they can even use the software without any training. We worked a lot on UX to provide a user interface very intuitive to learn and very intuitive to use. We have integrated also a design tool inside the PLM. So directly from a computer or a tablet, you can annotate any kind of drawing, add some comments, import picture, crop it at any time inside the PLM. We created a user interface for the admin side where they can completely customize by themselves. In fact, they can really adapt the PLM on their workflow. And if after 2 weeks they need a new criteria, they can add it very easily without typing a single line of code. This kind of company are creating a lot of idea and product every day with a very fast. They don't have time to implement a huge solution. They want something ready to run. And they move to the size spec section. It's really easy to find out templates to reuse it for a different size spec. All of them can be with automatic grading. You can attach any CAD file to your PLM. So it's create an history. What pattern did you use for this product? Many aspects for this kind of brand that was also important for us. First is to give them a solution fitted for them. That was not the case with huge solution, either in terms of pricing or of timing of implementation. It was too big for them. We wanted also to give them a solution where they can have something very easy and very flexible. Just to give you an example, usually C-Design PLM can be implemented just a few weeks. Not months, not years. It's a subscription based per month per user. So very easy to implement, easy to upgrade, very flexible. The way we think that company now wants to use the IT and softwares. You know, in our roadmap, we are 60-40, means that 60% of the new functionalities and evolution of the software are coming from us, but 40%, which is a huge amount, is coming from ideas from our customers. We talk about compatibility. It's also important to know that our PLM have a very strong API. So it's very easy to implement it and to plug it with any ERP systems or e-commerce systems. Web-based software now solves all of these issues. You can work on a Mac or on a PC or an Android or a tablet or a smartphone. You can use the software wherever you want at any time.